focus, man.
So I'm going to show you guys the entire length of the car-free zone here in the center of Kigali. So right across the street you have a building and it's called Norskin. And so this is a place that you can go and get work done. It's, what do you call it? It's a co-working space. So you can get a lot of stuff done over there. If you've got some projects, you can be relaxed, it's comfortable, you got fast Wi-Fi, you got a lot of business professionals that you can link up with, right? And so you can come here by moto. These motos right here will take you where you need to go. They all have helmets with them and they can get you around the city quickly and cheaply, right? So over here you've also got some bicycles that you can rent. I don't know the exact fees, but these gentlemen over here, they're gonna hook you up. How much to rent the bicycles?
300 for 1 hour.
300 1 hour. Okay. So you can get the bikes here for 300 for 1 hour. And this is a nice chill area to ride a bicycle because you don't have to worry about cars, you don't have to worry about motorcycles. It's just people walking through, nice and breezy. Very easy. Okay, so if you need some souvenirs, you've got shops here selling everything, earrings, clothes. You want that kente cloth look, you got all of that. Sandals, woodworking, you got drums. And I'm sure everything is negotiable. You just gotta tell them, look, this is what I got. Make me a deal. Let's meet somewhere in the middle. Like most places, you know, the prices, whatever they need for the day. Just keep that in mind always when you're trying to negotiate. Because something is better than nothing. Nobody wants to go home empty-handed, right? So it starts off with the shops here, and you can get everything you need, souvenirs, and then it starts to change. As you can see here over on the left, you've got some restaurants. This one is, I guess it's bar type food, Fratelli's Brussels. So I've been to Brussels. Well, no, I'm tripping. I haven't been to Brussels. I've been to the Netherlands, which is very near Brussels, right? And so the Netherlands and Belgium, they both have a rivalry with the potatoes. You know, who makes the better French fries, pommes frites, whatever you want to call them in French. So because of that, I think they probably have some good French fries, right? Because why would you try to rep Brussels if you don't got the Brussels fries? And they have the fries on the logo. So I'm assuming that it's going to be official, like a ref with a whistle. You feel me? But I'm not going to try. Y'all can come here and y'all can tell me, you know, if it's official or not. You got benches and stuff. You got places you can sit down, chill. A lot of people just want to lounge here. Then you got the restrooms over here on your right. That's very important. I don't know if they charge a fee, but I'm assuming that they do. If they do, it's probably nothing. You know, it's probably something like 25 cents, 30 cents. Maybe a dollar, not even a dollar. No, I can't even imagine it would be a dollar, but it's something to maintain and keep it nice and clean and sanitary. I actually went to, there was another public bathroom like this somewhere near the bus station, the city bus station here. in the downtown, and I went and used the bathroom. I came out and she was like, hey, like, give me some money. And I was like, I don't know how much, right? But I didn't want to tell her I don't know how much, because then she's going to charge me more. So I just kept handing her money until she gave up. and I think I gave her like maybe 40 cents, 50 cents or nothing. It was nothing major. It was some coins, right? It was just some of those 100 coins. So I think I gave her 3 of those, maybe 4, something like that. But anyway, what I'm telling you is, if you go to the bathroom, expect to pay something. It's not a lot, but it helps them maintain it. You know, it's a business for them. Okay, and so you got a place here to make some suits, all kind of suits for men. Then here you've got the landmark of Kigali. You know, this is the Hollywood sign for the city. Let you know you were here. And you got a whole bunch of photographers here who will gladly take a picture for you with your phone if you're alone and you want that nice picture. And then they also have professional cameras if you want to have like a really nice picture to go home with. They'll help you out with that. Yeah, they will. It's a lot of them. They got yellow vests. That's how you know it's you know, the right guys. They wear yellow shirts. But it can be confusing because the MTN guys, the guys who do the cell phone stuff, the Momo Pay, all that, they also wear like a yellow vest as well. So yeah, just make sure you get the right yellow vest, because it's not just one yellow vest out here. And so right now, what time is it? It's about 5 o'clock, okay? So if you don't know, here in Kigali, the sun goes down early, so it gets dark at around 6 o'clock. Is that right? 6:30.
But if it's rainy,
6:30. Forget about it. It's going to be dark skies. Okay, so plan your day around that. But I will say, even when it's dark, Kigali is not a very dangerous city. So, I mean, like anywhere, something can happen, but it's not like the goons come out at night and, you know, they got baseball bats and, you know, switchblades, and they're trying to stab people. What's that?
The safest city.
She's disagreeing. I don't know. Maybe she said it does get like that. She says it turns into...
It's very safe.
Okay. So, all right. That's what she says. She's local. You got to listen to her opinion. She says it's safe at night. I think it's all right. It's pretty good at nighttime. But yeah, just be aware of that it gets dark early. What else can I say? You know, I'm all congested right now. This is not my normal voice. I'm all nasally and stuff. So just keep that in mind. And if you haven't done it already, go ahead and hit the like button. It is not going to cost you anything. I got a special deal for you. You can hit it now for free. They're not going to send you a bill or anything. And that's just today. That's an exclusive deal. So hit it now while it's free. Subscribe too if you haven't already. And I'm going to keep bringing you views like this. And look, the sun is trying to come out. Finally, we got a little bit of sun. And it's beautiful. I need that sun on my skin just for like a second today. So get a little bit of sun on me. All right, here we go. It was actually bright earlier. Early in the day, we had some sun. But today it's cloudy right now. Yeah, oh my goodness. That sunset is, that's one of a kind. You don't see that everywhere. So now we're at the Echo Bank. This is if you need ATM here. It's 24 hours. You can grab some money and be rocking and rolling, be able to do what you need to do over there. I think this is the biggest one in the country. Yeah, that's the big Echo Bank, and I've used them before. Haven't had any issues with my US cards, so it's good to know that. What else can I say? All right, so this is a big tower. I guess it's multi-purpose. They got all kind of different businesses and shops inside of it. So you're just gonna have to check it out for yourself. Restaurants, looks like they have a Chinese food place in there. That's what the sign says. Then over here, It's a big commercial building, and if I'm not mistaken, they have a cinema inside of this one. So I'm gonna check that out. I want to see what that looks like. So if you need some juice when you're in the city, you got Juicylicious is the name of the place right there. And I know that sounds kind of zesty, but hey, I didn't name it. It's Juicylicious. Get your juice on right here in the center. I'm sure it's fresh. And I think we're almost at the end of the car-free zone. But it's nice that they have this in the city. Place you can stroll around. And it's very relaxed. You can meet up with people here. Say, hey, meet me in the car-free zone. It's easy to find. Everybody knows this. And if you continue out of the car-free zone, you've got a lot of commercial businesses. You got everything. You got places to get your hair done, get your nails done. You got places to buy clothing. You got places to buy cell phones. All of that, all kind of commerce is going down here. So, and you got some benches, a little bit of a garden type of a park feel, even though it's tiny, but some kind of plants. You know what I mean? Some kind of nature. And I think that's about it. So, you know, thank you for watching. Thank you for checking out the central areas of Kigali, Rwanda. And just like that, we're out of here. And until next time, this is Jay Focus, reminding you to stay focused. Chill.
Such thing as a life that's better than your
Focus, man.